Hi everyone, this is AP Singh. I welcome you all on my channel Medicos Marathi. Hope you all are happy and healthy. My dear friends, today we are here for our episode number 4 of Special Stains. In this episode, we are going to discuss two of the special stains. Okay, and before starting our today's topic, I want to request all those who are new to my channel, my dear friends, subscribe my channel and press on notification bell icon for getting updates of upcoming future videos. Okay, so what we are going to discuss in our today's episode, my dear friends, we are going to discuss two stains. First one is Pep stain and second one is Giemsa stain, or you can say Romanowski stain. So let's start from Pep stain. Pep stain. So first thing, why we see it is a Pep stain. Okay, why its name is Pep. So my dear friends, in short we are saying it Pep, but the complete name is Pep na Colau stain. Okay, and why it is said as Pep na Colau? Because the it is developed by a scientist whose name was George Pepinacolau. So on the name of George Pepinacolau, we say it is a Pepinacolau stain, but we are using only short form. In short, we say it as a Pep stain, but its complete name is Pepinacolau. Okay, it is developed by George Pepinacolau. आप सबको ये साइंटिस्ट का नाम याद रखना. You have to remember that whom the pep stain is developed. Okay, pep stain develop किसने किया था? George Pepnacolau. What is other thing? It is a multichromatic. Okay, it is a multichromatic means color. Okay, it is a multicolored cytological staining. Okay, and another important point regarding pep stain is that we use pep stain everywhere. Okay, pep stain को हम सब जगह यूज करते हैं. So we say it is a universal stain. Okay, we also say it is a universal stain because we can use it everywhere. Okay, और जिस चीज को सब जगह यूज करे वो यूनिवर्सल है. Another thing is that you have listened that pap smear or pap test. Okay, we use pap smear or pap test in the case of cytology of cervical cancer. Okay, ये point आपको you have to must remember this point. Okay, pap smear और pap test है ना, ये must जो किसके लिए special जो जिसके लिए हम इसको जानते हैं. ठीक है, we are known for pap smear. Okay, for what we know pap smear, we know pap smear for the cytology of cervical cancer. So if examiner give regarding any question regarding pap smear, then the answer will be related to cervical. Okay, it will be related to cervical, cytology of cervical cancer. What is next thing? Fixative of pap stain. My dear friends, we use 95% ethanol as a fixative in pap stain. Okay. What is next thing? Next thing regarding pap stain is composition of pap stain. Okay, it is composed of, first thing is orange green. Okay, it's a orange green. It is a material which is generally taken from human. Okay, orange green 6. Okay, we also say it is a orange green stain. Okay, it is also stain. Okay, it is a part of pap stain. Another one is EA50, eosin azure 50. It is a eosin azure 50. It is a also stain. Okay, and this stain is composed of further three stains. Okay, light green stain, eosin stain, Bismarck brown stain. Okay, so two composition are orange green 6, eosin azure 50. What is next one? Hematoxylin. Okay, what is next thing? Mnemonic to remember this composition is hope. H for hematoxylin, O for orange green, P for pap stain, E for eosin azure 50. Okay, so I think hope से क्या है? Hope is mnemonic. So H for hematoxylin, O for orange green, P for pap stain, and E is for eosin azure 50. Okay, what is next thing? Some examples of pap stain in malignant melanoma. Okay, fine needle aspiration. By fine needle aspiration in malignant melanoma we use this pap stain. In squamous cell carcinoma of cervix. Okay, or you can say of bronchus, squamous cell carcinoma of bronchus by fine needle aspiration, and squamous cell carcinoma of cervix. Okay, and papillary thyroid cancer. And one example also can be, we can also use it in urine. by in the urinary area by fine needle aspiration. Okay, what is next stain? Next is Giemsa stain. What is Giemsa stain? Giemsa stain is also said as right stain or right Giemsa stain. Okay, so you have to remember what we can also say to Giemsa stain: right Giemsa stain or right stain. What is another important name? It is also said as Romanovsky stain. Okay, so you have to remember this name because these days examiner is using Romanovsky instead of Giemsa. Okay, examiner asking what is composition of Romanovsky stain. Okay, so Romanovsky and Giemsa both are same thing. Okay, what is next thing? Composition of a Giemsa stain or Romanovsky stain. It is methylene blue dye, toluidine blue, azure, and eosin compound. Okay, so composition is methylene blue, toluidine blue, and azure and eosin. I think I told you in my stain classes that toluidine blue it is a stain for most important stain for mast cell. I think I told you, but if you not remember, then you have to watch my previous stain series episode number 1. What is next thing? We use it in mast cell in the skin and the dermis part. Okay, dermis में क्या है? mast cell. mast cell और dermis किसका part है? skin का. Okay, so mast cell in the skin in dermis we use this stain. Okay, esophagus with eosinophil peripheral blood smear. Now the question is that which color it will give? So my dear friends, it will give with mast cell, with mucin, with amyloid, okay, with eosin. Okay, it will give purple color instead of blue color. Okay, it will give purple color, but these dyes give their own color. Okay, these dyes give their own color, but if we are using Giemsa stain, then it will give purple color for amyloid, for mast cell. Okay, for mucin, for eosinophil, all for it will give purple color in front, and in background there can be blue color. So this is all about our today's episode. My dear friends, we discussed two stain, pep stain and Giemsa stain. Hope you all like this procedure. Okay, hope you all like these both stain. You understand the topic. If you not understand the topic, then you can comment in comment box and ask me any question regarding these both stains. Thanks to everyone for watching this video. My dear friends, all those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press on notification bell icon for getting updates of upcoming important videos. Thanks to everyone.